Adaptations in plants of snowy region. Plants of snowy regions mainly includes conifers like deodar and pines. This is the picture of deodar. These trees are conical in shape. तुम्ही जर पाहत असाल तर वरती कोणाच्या आकारासारखे हे झाडं असतात, उतरतीचे पानं त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला दिसतात. These trees are conical in shape due to their sloping branches. In the heavy snowfall and extreme cold in this region, their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree, and thick bark helps the tree to withstand the cold. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याकडे अशाच प्रकारची झाडं दिसतात, ती म्हणजे अशोकाची. कसे असतात पानं त्याची? वरती टोक असतं आणि उतरती अशी आलेली ती पानं आपल्याला दिसतात. जर त्याच्या टोकावर बर्फ पडला तो सटकन खाली घसरण्यासाठी ही पानांची आणि त्यांच्या फांद्यांची रचना केलेली आपल्याला स्नोवी रिजन मध्ये आढळते. हे एक असंच उदाहरण आहे स्नोवी रिजन मधलं. तुम्ही जर पाहिला याचा तर पिन्ना पाहिला किंवा लीफ लॅमिना पाहिला, लिफलेट्स पाहिले तर अतिशय सुचीपर्णी किंवा अगदी सुईच्या टोकासारखी साधारण बारीक बारीक पानं आपल्याला दिसतात. ह्याच्यावर जर पाणी किंवा बर्फ पडलं ते सटकन खाली घसरल्या जातं. अशा पद्धतीचं अडॉप्टेशन आपल्याला स्नोवी रिजन मध्ये पाहायला मिळतं. स्टुडंट्स, up to this we are completed. Adaptations in aquatic plant, adaptations in desert plants, adaptations in snowy region plants. Now come to the point, that is adaptations in plants of forest region. A variety of plants, trees, shrubs and herbs are found in forest. These plants compete among themselves for sunlight. These plants compete them among themselves for sunlight. Hence, trees grow tall to get sunlight, and climber and weeds grow to get height with the support of trees. Spring-like tendrils on the stems of some climbers is an example of adaptation. Next, adaptations in grassland plants. Bushes, grasses are found in grassland. Fibrous root system of grasses prevents soil erosion. Forests in the equatorial regions are dense. Animals like tiger, elephant and deer remains hidden in this grass. Nextly, adaptations for ingestion of food in plants. The plant dodder or the cuscuta consists of yellow wire-like stems. It is leafless and cannot perform photosynthesis. Then how he get foods? It has haustorial roots for absorbing nutrients from the host plant. These roots penetrate up to the conducting vessel of the host plant to absorb water and food. Like that of cuscuta or dodder, fungi do not have chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. They obtain food from starchy foodstuffs like bread and bhakri. They have roots like fibers for absorption of food. Plants needs nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium for growth. Plants that grow in soil which is deficient in nitrogen like Drosera, Venus flytrap, peaches. These plants fulfill their need for nitrogen by consuming insects. The adaptations are seen in these plants which serves to attract insects and hold them captive. These total are the adaptations found in plant.